If you're like me and you're a diehard Ford fan, you will know that the 7.3 Powerstroke is one of, if not the best motors Ford ever put in a truck. However, you can't buy one for the last 20 years brand new, so you're stuck with somebody else's rusted out, clapped out piece of junk. However, I found what I think is the cleanest 7.3 in the world. Let's check it out. So here it is. It is a 2002 F350, and this thing is immaculate. If we look at these pictures here, like, this thing is clean. Obviously, it's not really my style. It is done up to the owner's taste. I'm not quite a fan of it, but it is extremely clean, and you'll see why in a minute. So here it is. It's lifted about 10 inches. It has 40-inch tires on it, a massive roll bar, lots of extra lights. We got a winch on the front here. As we go through, we got the roll bar, another full-size spare tire. We got the windshield visor here, cowl hood. Everything's paint matched. I mean, this thing is so clean. And then we check out the underside here, and I mean, just look at this thing. I have never seen a 7.3 that was this clean underneath before. This thing is immaculate. It looks like it came off the showroom floor yesterday. Look at this frame here. Like, no surface rust anywhere. We got the aftermarket transpan here. I mean, it's insane. I don't even know what to say about it. Ford decal in there, and here we get a glimpse. Here we have a full custom suspension. He has everything to go with it. The owner's manual, original window sticker for $40,000. Like, that is insane to me. Yeah, just the interior is immaculate as well. Lariat, so you get the full leather interior. And here we go. We have this picture's taken under the back here. We had the 4 air horns here. Full Fox suspension, polished differential cover. Just another picture. Got the front end here. Got custom grille, custom lights all over it. It is insane. Yeah, all kinds of polished work. Like, this guy spent a lot of time and money taking care of this truck and keeping it immaculate. Because never seen off-road, I don't think, but it makes sense here in a minute. Got another shot of that Fox suspension and those air horns underneath there. Yeah, kind of an interesting picture here, but look at that suspension. Look at that axle, like, immaculate. And here is the reason it is immaculate. This truck has 3,828 miles on it. In 21 years, it has 3,800 miles on it. That is why this truck is so immaculate. He is asking $48,000 for it, which is all the money for this truck. However, I think he's going to sell this truck because, I mean, you can't find a 7.3 with 4,000 miles on it. Like, it just doesn't work like that. So this is, in my opinion, one of the cleanest trucks ever. Oh, the other thing I just noticed, he updated the mirrors. He used the original, like, style mirrors, but just has the ones off a 6-liter that had the turn signal on them. Very nice touch. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Personally, I think this truck is worth the $48,000. And I think he's going to sell this truck no problem for that asking price. However, the catch is, if this truck was left to sit, the motor might need some work. However, I feel like, judging from the pictures, judging from the way it's taken care of, I think he fired it up fairly regular, took it around the block maybe. So I think this thing's good to go. I think it's, yeah, just an immaculate show truck. I mean, obviously you're not going to buy this truck and put it to work. And I think it's worth the $48,000. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And if you love this truck, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.